Hello guys, it's Dmitry here. Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about the standard maps functionality, and it's basically like these three methods: set, get, and has. These three methods, they widely used, in case of map implementation, and yeah, they're not too complicated, but because I haven't gone through all of them before, I would like to briefly explain how they work. Okay guys, let's start from writing an example. I'm going to define a map. I'll call it map 1. It's going to be a new map, of course, and that's why I have to use word new map. And now what I'm planning to do, I'm going to use the set method, and this is the default method for map essentially. So guys, in order to use it, you basically have to type map1 dot set, and inside here so we can define the key and value, right? So let's first define a key. I will call it bar, and the value is going to be foo. It's a well-known example, yeah, and I just would like to stick with this one. So, and now guys, in order to see the value that this bar key exists in the map, what we can do, we can use another method. It's called get. So I'm going to say map1.get, and I'm going to specify the actual key, right? So, and I think I'm going to wrap it into console.log. And I would like to run it. Let's run it. Here we go guys, full, right? We received the actual value of this key. So that's how set and get they work, guys. Guys, and let's try, for example, we know that now we have this key with this value, right, in our map, but let's try another one, right? Let's try, try to get some other keys, right? And in this case, of course, we don't have any, and we will come up with undefined. I just would like to show you guys that this is the actual case, right? So console.log map1 get, and for instance, I don't know, bar 2, for example, right? And let's see what's going on here. Here we go guys, it's undefined, right? So we still have the full value, which is coming from this key, bar key, right? But bar 2, this key doesn't exist, right? So it doesn't have any value, and the actual key doesn't exist, right? So that's why we came up with undefined. So guys, okay, next one, I also would like to discuss about this has method. Guys, this method, it's for example, we already have this bar full key value pair, right? So, and now, so basically if I say like has and dot bar and this bar inside, right? So if key bar exists, in this case we will come up with the result true. Otherwise guys, later on I will show you, we will come up with the result false, right? So it's going to be a boolean value, right? That's actually what this has method give us. And in order to verify it, guys, let's run it. So it's giving us true, right, which is exactly the case, right, because this bar key exists, right? But let's try bar 2, and it's going to give us false, right? Here we go, guys. So guys, essentially that's the whole functionality that I was planning to cover in this tutorial, and I done it essentially. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in a comment section below, and guys, feel free to like this tutorial if you like it, and please guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you like my tutorials, I would really appreciate it, guys. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Goodbye, guys.